Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to change email address in Agoda. So whether you've switched providers or just want to keep your account current, I'm going to walk you through how to change your email address. The first thing I'd like you to do is to open your preferred web browser and navigate to www.agoda.com. Click on the sign in button at the top right corner and enter your login credentials. Once you're logged in, go ahead and click on your profile icon or name at the top right corner. And from the drop down menu, go ahead and select my accounts. So under my accounts, which is area, don't select my account because it's not clickable. Just go ahead and click on profile so that you can open up your personal information. So here you find your current email address listed. So here it says email address has been verified. Now can go and click on edit, but here edit is just for that name. But you see that once you click on email, you cannot edit or change your email address directly here once your email has been verified. Now, what does this entail? These entail that for you to change your email, then you would need to contact the support for Agoda. You need to contact the support desk, letting them know that you need help with changing your email. And how to get that help? So scroll down to the bottom of the page and you'll find the help center. Now click on help center and follow through the prompts to reach out to them, communicate with them privately, letting them know that you want to change your email address, as you cannot do that directly in the website. That is how it works. So now it says, how do I change my email subscriptions? But that's not sure what you want. So check if you have all your questions here, which could be answered. Or if it doesn't, just head over to customer service and it's here. So how do I contact Agoda customer service? You can click on this, see all of the options that can help you and read all of these details. The contact page, we're here to help. See the availability, time zones, advanced support. I want to click on click on chat with us, and once you click on chat with us, just going to connect you with an agent, let them know that you want to change your email address, and then walk you through the process. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and of course once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.